Spring is in the air. Oh my goodness. But this thing is still in the shop. We are on part 4 of rebuilding Turd. Are you tired of having this thing in your garage yet? No, it's okay.
Work side. Yeah.
If there's a redneck way to do it, I tell you, you boys will find it.
If you don't have every tool you need, you just need some redneck ingenuity to finish a build.
Yep.
This is an old trick when you don't have a 10-ton press. Cook the bearing, get the part really cold, and it'll just slide right on.
I can't believe you use my bread pan. What goes through your mind when you touch it?
Just like that, eh? Who needs a press?
No 10-ton press.
Just don't use your wife's new bread
How do
pan.
you feel about that, Terry?
A little annoyed. I mean, there are old ones. I probably could have used an old one.
What's it gonna do? It's metal.
It's metal on metal.
17 years?
17 years. I can't kill him until we get to 20.
Right,
Right.
right.
The drive shafts needed to be serviced. They just happened to be a little more stubborn than anticipated.
Did that work?
I think it worked. Yes.
There we go.
Yeah, it's working. Look, I'm smart!
So what gearing is in Turd?
Your ratio is 410.
Yeah.
There was a lot of hammering when reassembling this axle.
What happened there, Dwayne?
Rocks. I use the old bearings that don't wreck the new seat. New bearings. Why? Why not? How do you do this, Daryl?
Something oddly satisfying about swinging a rubber mallet. Pretty sure that's just your bones making that noise. There was a bar that was connecting your frame before here, right?
Yeah, there was some sheet metal bent to go across here.
And so now you're looking...
How thick was? What gauge is that?
Thin.
I gotta overbuild it. But really, Christine has a 7,500 pound winch. Put it on a winch plate, so I can put it in here. So I have a removable rear winch. So I'm just concerned about 7,500 pounds pulling on this. So we're just trying to figure out the best way to attach it to the frame.
No, I like it that way.
That's the way I built it. You got to do that side, eh? Oh yeah.
So it's like, it's on there now, eh?
I'm pretty sure you could lift the whole Jeep up from that.
Today is brought to you by Puns at Pick and Pull. Enjoy! Some of my biggest fans are here.
Hey, shoo, shoo, get away from me.
Hey Terry, are we having an alternate ending?
You're alternating my perspective on this place. It's kind of boxed in there.
Feeling really horny. Hey Terry. Spring's just around the corner.
It's right there.
Oh, I found the key!
Found the key to my happiness. Right there. What you doing?
Shepherd, Haven, hopping, hickey,
See your
So we got the front axle kind of resting in there.
Yeah.
So now we got to do sort of the same thing that we did to the front. Now we got to do the back. Working on the Ford 8.8.
which you just had to replace spider gears.
And I hit the skinny pedal.
That's what causes this?
Yeah, skinny pedal.
Skinny pedal.
Skinny pedal. Two teeth on that one spider you were chipped right completely off.
Yeah.
Daryl and I might just do a Lincoln locker in the back and be done with it.
Call it a day. Well, I mean, it's not like this thing sees a lot of highways anymore.
Plugging away.
Just plugging away.
We did the front axle, so now we got to do the back one. I keep having to say it's going to Mac, not SEMA.
Not SEMA.
Not SEMA. It's going to Mac. Mudbudz Adventure Challenge.
Your body work is done, Daryl?
No, the metal.
No, he's still working on his body.
Yeah.
Hopefully you didn't weld the hinge. I hope you didn't weld the hinge either.
Taking out one of the other cross members underneath the Jeep, which simply just held the front of the gas tank.
And since you've got this fuel cell,
So yeah, because we got fuel cell, it's all in prep just in case. It just makes it better.
yeah,
Butter.
butter.
So Daryl's underneath there grinding. Cross member that was in there obviously got dirt and stuff jammed underneath of it, and you know, it's not a new Jeep, it's a, what do we call it, a classic? It's a classic Jeep. So it's got a little bit of pinholes that we have to sort of address.
So Daryl officially has all the sheet metal work done on Turd.
There's still metal work to do because we still have to
Taillights.
tail lights, and I'm gonna put those flush mount reverse lights in there, and then
And of course the fenders.
Build some fenders.
But
roll bar.
you've done the frame. You painted the frame.
The frame's painted.
You hating Dwayne today?
No, just cleaning some grease. Greasy.
Turd got a set of boomerang shackles to help with the suspension.
What's next, my love?
2023.
It is not being done in 2023.
I think we're gonna pull the transfer case out.
That's what, and
I think so.
put in that new chain.
Yeah, well, it leaked, so we gotta pull it out and split the cases to reseal it, and I got a new chain from Keith, so.
What else are you guys hoping to accomplish here in the next, let's say, month?
Transfer case.
Maybe they get this roll bar done. Drink some more beer.
Yes. Fuel cell? In the next month?
We gotta get the roll cage in.
Roll cage first, then fuel cell. So it's not back on the road yet. Next video, we're hoping to have the transfer case out and maybe start working on the interior of this thing. Maybe wash it.
No. It's still on the list.
Still mud in it. Anyways,
It's on the list.
if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and one day we will see this thing back on the trail, I promise. All right, see ya.
Stop entertaining her.
Can we even tell the difference between them anymore? Other than the hair? Like, seriously.
Hammer! 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 Hammer first.